Red carpets and indeed franchises simply do not come bigger than this. It's been 22 years since the first film exploded onto our screens, and since then, we've seen Tom Cruise and the franchise continue to push the boundaries of cinema. We're here at the UK premiere for Mission Impossible Fallout, and we're going to be chatting to the stars of the film right here on the red carpet. What can we expect from the film?
A wild ride full of amazing, mind-boggling stunts, and yeah, it's a good story as well. You know, it's just hopefully something for everyone.
Well, I felt the same way. I saw it on Monday night for the first time at the first press screening, and it was extraordinary. You can expect to be utterly thrilled by it. I mean, I was genuinely kind of buzzed and left adrenalized and with high blood pressure, but in a good way. It's everything an action movie should be. It's a summer blockbuster in the most quintessential terms. You know, it's exciting, it's thoughtful, it's really, really funny at times. It's got it all.
So this is your second outing with Mission Impossible.
Yes.
How does it feel to be a part of a franchise that's just so wonderfully different, and what do you think it is that makes it so different?
I think, first of all, I'm so bloody excited to be a part of it. I had not even imagined that this could happen. It's incredible how, is it 22 years ago they started doing this?
Yeah.
I was thinking about what it is that would capture me to coming back. I think it is, you know what to expect when seeing these films. You know it's going to be incredible missions. You know it's going to be crazy stunts. You know Tom is going to hang off something, dive off something, crash something, ride something very fast, but you never know what or how and how it's all going to end. And I think for me to come back and be a part of it with a character who is quite unpredictable and kind of gives him the run for the money is quite spectacular and challenging.
It's absolutely lovely to meet you personally. So, Mission Impossible, they are just some of the most incredible films that have been released in the last 20 years. What do you think it is that makes them so special and so unique?
You know, I think it's, I mean, thank you for saying that. That's what I want. I want to entertain you. That's we just give it everything we have. You know, I really do that with every film that I have. But Mission Impossible, as I said, it allows such a large canvas for us to be able to work with. And look at the cast that we have. Each of these people, they're movie stars. You know, you look at Henry Cavill, you look at Simon Pegg, you know, Vanessa, Rebecca, you know, Ving, these guys that, you know, all of them, they kind of carry their own things. And we come together, so they're very dynamic, they have great characters. So it's a film that wants and allows that kind of storytelling. And I'm a classic storyteller. I'm an old school, I've studied cinema, and I try to really apply that in terms of the way that I approach a film. Because I think about a movie, and what I hope for is not just opening weekend, but something that audiences will want to look at again 5-10 years from now and still look at it as and appreciate the filmmaking. So we just go for quality. I push, and sometimes, you know, these studios are a little like, please, Tom, and I'm like, I can't do it unless it's as great as I know it can be. And whatever, I just try to give it everything I have.
That's what we love about it. Tom, thank you so much, mate. I can't believe I'm talking to you. Thank you. Simon, you may not remember this, but I do. It's one of the best days of my life. I tweeted you a picture of myself as a zombie in my friend's short film.
On Twitter, yes.
Yeah. About 2 months later, you quit Twitter, which I hope has nothing to do with
It
me.
was nothing to do with that. I think you just maxed me out. Do you know what I mean? Oh, yes.
I have to show you. You gave me 10 out of 10.
It's very good. I love the eye work. Yeah, I would have looked at that and I thought I would have seen the veins. I would have seen the eye shading. It's the little hole in the t-shirt there is a cheeky extra. Very good.
Thank you so much.
You did so well. I still give it 10.
Brilliant.
It hasn't diminished.